Is that why you're getting a...
Rebe, nataragiye mu kazi mu gitondo. Ngwino gire.
What is it, Dad?
Iki papa.
Calm.
Ngwino. Episode ya 50. Bibutsa ni kuri Star Times buri munsi. Yaje hano ni Natali. Rebe. Icara ariko tuvugane icara wa mwana we.
Let's talk first.
Reka tubanze tuvugane, sibyo?
How are things with Stephen?
We na Stephen bimeze bite? Bite byayo.
Like what?
Nk'ibiki?
About the divorce.
Ibintu bya divorce numvisha.
Determined?
Bite byabyo wabinsobanurira.
Yes, he is, Dad.
Cyane yanyatse divorce papa. Ziarumiwe.
Hello guys, I hope you are okay. So guys rero, sorry ho gakeya reka tubanze twamamaje mbanze mbabwira aka kantu ariko video yanyu nyine iraje komeze. Vuga ngo guys, hari ukuntu nyine rero tuno dufilme ntutwishimire ariko bikangombwa ko ukeneye full nyine episode cyase full season. Icyo gusaba no gufata iyo nomero iri muri screen igihugu cyose abahereremo cyose tuguha filime ku buryo bwiza sikakugera utwandikira WhatsApp.
Ihangayika habonetse muganga gakondo utanga ubuvuzi bw'umwimerere kandi bushingiye ku bimera. Waba warabaswe n'ibibazo byo kwikinisha bigatuma amabanga y'abashakanye atabasha kugenda neza, tambuka tugukiza umuze nawe ubashe kunoza amabanga y'abashakanye.
Ubu mubona nahoranye ikibazo cyo kutabyara, najya ntekereza ko narozwe, nyuma naje guhura n'umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko yo muri Tanzania, aramfasha ndakira, ubu nanjye ndi umubyeyi nk'abandi.
Kubivuza indwara nk'umwijima, impyiko, rubagemande, amibe, igifu, kubyimba, prostate, umutwe, imitsi ndetse n'izindi, namwe nimutambuke kuko mwashyizwe igorora. Akarusho kandi kubivuza indwara nk'amarozi abatugezeho baritangirwa.
Ubu mubona nigeze guhura n'ikibazo cyo kuroga, narozwe ibitegano ndetse n'ibihuhirano. Naje kubona umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko muri Tanzania, aramfasha, ubu narakize neza, ubu nta kibazo mfite.
Kuba ari mahanga namwe mwihangayika mwibaza uko imiti yacu iraza kubageraho kuko dukora na DHL kabagezaho imiti yacu kandi mu gihe gito.
We can't blame him anyways.
Nubundi ntago umuntu yamurenganya.
I'd say, think about your children more than yourself.
Ariko mutekereze ku bana banyu mbere yuko mwe mwitekerezaho ubwanyu.
I mean, if there's a way to make Stephen give up on it, or I'll go talk to him myself.
Ine nimbara uburyo yakwisubiraho ndaza kujya kumuganiriza
Please
Stephen.
don't interfere in my private life.
Ntukivange mu buzima bwanjye bwite papa. Ndakwiyamye.
This situation is because of your
Ibi byose ni ukubera wowe. Ni wewe wabizambiye.
Comes to talking about kids.
Weyo bigeze
Private life.
ntabwo yabikira ubuzima bwanyu bwite.
Carla, she's just come out of the
Reba Karira nibwo akiva kwa muganga.
Eve is.
Reba Eva uzuko bimeze. Nibwo akibona umutima.
Alex
we bite.
just calm down.
Tuza mwana tu.
He's mourning.
Yamani nawe ntaratuza ari mu kiriyo cya murumuna wiwe.
Nali, the son of George.
I think about my children.
Mugiye kugenda.
Trust me.
Mujya kumutura ibintu hejuru kari umwana wa George nanjye babitekereza papa. Bitekereza.
I don't have the face or the strength to tell Stephen to stay or for
kubwira George ngagume cyangwa agende.
Okay. Good day now.
So, kwanza ugira umunsi mwiza ndanakwiyamye. Ariko ibintu nataravuga nibyo. Ntago afite imbaraga zo kubwira George ngo siga mwana wawe ugende. Nta nubwo afite zibwira Stephen. Bese nawe biba byamucanze. Byose n'amakosa yamuzehe. Bose barakwereka Yamani yaje hano. Iruka afite ya mafoto yese amanuka mu gatsata mu magaraje. Bamwe basenya imodoka bazivanamo PS bazishyira mu zindi do. Yese aza hakuru. Rep afite amashusho y'imodoka yagonze imiti. Imodoka yishe imiti. Aja.
Greetings, Master Antoine.
Imeze bite Antoine?
What can I help you with?
Gufashe gute?
Well, have you seen this car?
Nyine wigeze ubona imodoka nk'iyingiyi nabe cyangwa? Rebe.
I have.
Narayibonye imodoka. Cyane kabisa ejo narayibonye.
Who was the owner?
Nyirayo ninde?
If the car isn't in a great shape, we don't get records.
Iyi modoka rero itameze neza hano iyo bayituzanye ntago twandika ngo nibizanye cyangwa ibiki. Ni hamwe bakazigira inyuma. Akiraho. Doctor we. Yamusanze hano wahabwiwe n'iki bite?
Why don't you go and mourn instead?
Ahubwo se we waje ukajya kunamira mwene wanyu ukabibona. ese ntujya unanirwa iki?
Emmett was my everything.
Uziri neza ko Emmett yari ibintu byanjye byose yarasobanuye by'icyo.
Don't stop.
Rekera.
Run. Get in trouble again.
Ibintu bitatu. Bangubwire.
All you can. I promise you that. I'll find your brother's
Ibi
murder.
bintu bivuye mu kibishoboye ndagusezeranya kuhisha umuvandimwe we nzamubona. Sibyo?
Was my brother.
Emmett yari umuvandimwe wanjye.
Should leave.
Rero ntago nabivamo.
But thanks for insisting on staying.
Gusa urakoze kwemera kumfasha no kumpatiriza ngo umfashe.
Now what?
Naguhaye ikigenzi nuko ari wabaye neza. Nubwo
He
bitarangiye.
doesn't know.
Nyiri imodoka niwe ntago amuzi. Twigende.
Are you two policemen?
None se mwe muri abapolisi cyangwa?
No.
Oya,
He's a doctor.
uyu ni umuganga.
With a desire to be detective.
Umuganga ushaka kwigira umupolisi wigize maneko.
I had to be an adult.
Uyu nawe ni umwana ushaka kwigira umuntu mukuru.
Right?
Baracyurira na
I
barakatira.
hope so.
Umugabo hakuno.
Brother, you won't get me in trouble, will you?
If you talk a bit
Abasa
more,
nizere ko mutari bunkire mu bibazo. Hari ubwo muri bunkire mu bibazo. Sawa. Hakuno. Imodoka hakuno plaque bayivanyeho tu. Imodoka yagonze Emmett. Imodoka yagonze Emmett plaque bayivanyeho. Yaje hano ni Amani. Dore imodoka arayibona n'amaraso aracyariho. Wibuka imodoka yajije kugonga nde? Yajije kugonga Mark Amber se Walia. Birangira igonze Emmett avuye kugura umuganga.
the camera around here too.
No, we didn't need one with a
Hano
guard.
hantu se nta kamera mugira, nta kamera tugira rwose ntazo. Bikurebamo hano. Ebe. George muganga papa w'iki cyana cya Yamani kiba kimumenyera ntago kizi karise. Jano. Ando. Sasa yaje hano kureba mano abonamo agafagitire ka resitora ahantu umuntu yaririye umuntu wari utwaye imodoka, kandi ubu bufagitire mugenda mwaka mukavuga ngo mushyireho tini namba cyangwa ngo nimero ya telefone.
Heavy guy. He wasn't the type you'd clearly remember.
Ni umuntu ntakwibuka pe.
You're really helpful.
Urakoze rero turadufashije bihagije kabisa. Uriya avanamo agafagitire ndayikomereza mu ibanga rikomeye atanabibwiye Yamani. Yamani nawe aza hano yagize gutya. Ebe. Yego.
Sorry I've been bothering you.
Umbabarire ndi kukubangamira muri iyi minsi ibiri itavuga.
Thank you, man.
Urakoze. Hamagaye wa
Now,
mwana.
I'm just going to give you a name.
Narigiye kuguhiza.
What I need to know is where he lives, his
Icyo nshaka kumenya ni ahantu atuye,
job.
aderese.
But firstly,
Ariko mbere
all the people with the name.
ubanza umenya abantu bafite ayo mazina bose ngo ni bande.
Harold Kent.
Yeah. 1 second, Sean.
Yitwa Kaboyi. We menyera ibya Kaboyi ngo ni ibiki?
What should I tell you now, kid?
Uragira ngo ubwire iki wa mwana?
Ay.
Uragira ngo nkubwire iki?
I'll just wait to hear from you then. Yeah?
Sawa urahita unsubiza, nizere ko urahita unsubiza.
Thanks.
Sawa urakoze ntaribi urakoze. Hamagaye mwafandi y'umugabo agira udukonegisiyo utamenya. Hamagaye mwafandi aramubwira ati wabigeze izo aderesi kumbi tugaruka hakuno Kaboyido. Nyuma yo kugonga umuntu yaje kwitsimba hano.
Who is it?
Ninde?
Door.
Wigira ikibazo? Kumbe hakuno Stephen yaramwinjiranye.
What's wrong, Harold?
Wowe ufite icyo kibazo?
Something now? How did you find me?
Ubwene cyane undi.
This was your last place recorded.
Nuko hano hantu ariho hanyuma nzi duheruka kuvugana ni naho wahanditse mu mazina yawe.
Go.
Genda. Subira mu nzu tuvugane.
Stupid Harold.
Kigoryi kigeze intwari. Fata icyuma buretse. Kigoryiwe. Steven agufatira icyuma. Fatira icyuma hano ubundi wakwica nka kwirega. Steven.
Now, tell it to my face.
Ngabimbwira undeba mu maso.
What did that fucking conscience?
Ubundi ugira umutima nama cyangwa.
I can't do that.
Steven
the
hakuno.
life of a young boy. Boy,
Musore.
why don't you leave me alone and do kid things?
Ubundi wandetse njye nyine ugakora ibintu by'abana ukava mu bintu by'abantu bakuru.
Well, as well. Why is that now?
No.
Sean?
Yego John.
There are 4 adults named Harold Kent. 2 of them are in Istanbul.
Amazina nabonye abana boy ni babiri bombi batuye muri Istanbul.
The one you are looking for is with me.
Sean, I'd be grateful if you send that to me.
Amakuru uri gushaka ndafite wakoze cyane ushatse wayanyoherereza.
The vehicle involved should be parked in that junkyard.
Kampa nama.
Good if you sent a team.
N'amadetaye imodoka yiwe.
For the police.
Ibi yayishugunye hariya mu gatsata mu magaraje.
No, the kid's just whining now. Nothing to do with you.
Uyu mwana turi kumwe ni uri kunsakuriza nta kibazo.
Police, for God's sake.
Mana yanjye. Iyo yarababaye shawo. Yamana riyanze kumva wowe rero sasa. George amugeze.
Not you.
Kabo.
Made 2 mistakes here.
Hano wakoze amakosa abiri. Sibyo?
First of all,
ikosa rya mbere.
you hit the wrong guy.
Wabwonze umuntu utari we. Sibyo?
Second,
irya kabiri.
the boy you hit was my son's best friend and sibling.
Umwana wagonze yari umucuti w'umuhungu wanjye akaba n'inshuti ye magana. Sibyo?
A question for you.
None ngufite
My
ikibazo.
son finds out that I am involved.
Umwana wanjye naramuka amenye ko ibi bintu birimo. Sibyo?
Fall apart or not?
Je nawe tugatandukana. Sibyo?
And what happens if my family falls apart?
Urumva bizagenda gute umuryango wanjye nutatana? Umba mbona udatekereza.
That you send back home, right?
Mm-hmm.
Go to the kid you hit and killed.
Are you threatening?
Bari abana bawe kanje gutera ubwoba mu biki? Ko nawe umuntu yagira. Bangubwira.
You a special deal.
Kangoye deal yatawe.
If you accept my offer,
Nuramuka yemeye offer nje ko.
I'll take care of your 4 kids.
Wenzita ku bana bawe uko
For
ari
lifetime.
ubuzima bwose. Sibyo? Uretse warikiwe cyangwa nkwice nkwirege.
Don't be afraid.
Ikira ubwoba.
Just the handle.
Ni hando ni ikirindi cy'iki cyuma ngo uteye ntago nguteye icyuma wikira ubwoba. Ariko uva
No way out. Unless you make this deal.
nta bundi buryo wava muri ibi bintu mpaka wemeye deal ugiye kugura. Sibyo?
We will just talk.
We will talk.
Oh, done then.
Byiza cyane reka tuganire dore kugira ngo mfite n'umutima mubi dore icyuma kijugunya ku ruhande ni Steven.
This is?
Ni hano cyane.
It is. Okay.
Ni hano.
Don't.
Okay.
I'll take it from here now.
Sawa reka tumbyiteho.
Well, good luck then.
Sawa ugira amahirwe musore. Ugira amahirwe. Ibi uye taxera muvana mu modoka yacu. Mu magambo make mutaye hano kugira batajana.
Doctor!
Muganga we none se. Uye arakurikira muganga yamutaye arirukanka. Show. Muganga yaje hakuno. Muri filime witonze. Hano ikigabo gitoye yahamenye. Arahazi. Hano ikigabo gituye arahazi. Oferi ya mbere yifashe yahise za hakuno.
And what will you get if I'm accused then? Can you really be that stupid, Harold?
Ese uri kigoryi bingana uko wowe?
You'll go to jail anyway.
N'ubundi uraza kujya muri gereza.
Even realize what I'm offering you right now.
Nta nubwo uri kumva ibintu ndi kukubwira kwemera ugafungwa akazasigara nita ku bana bawe ikibazo kiri. Ko n'ubundi uko byagenda kose urafungwa kiraho.
What the fuck are you doing?
Urakora cyane wamucika.
A bargain?
Uje kumvikana se. Uje muri deal.
But look, I'm telling you, he's stingy.
uyu mugabo utaza kwita ku bintu ari bukubwire n'ingona y'amafaranga ntumwumve.
What the fuck are you on about?
Ese uri kuvuga ibiki? Je nawe
You'd be behind everything. I just knew it.
nari mbizi ko ari wowe uri inyuma y'ibintu byose n'urupfu rw'uriya mwana nari mbizi.
Picked up here by the police.
ubwo ndabizi waje hano kumubwira ibintu bya polisi ngo yitange sibyo uyamusanze hano barabizi babiziranye yamani nawe hano yamani nawe yakurikiye muri karitsiye kira hakuno.
I don't know how or why you came up with this nonsense, but I know one thing. Because of how butthurt you are.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
I know what your problem is, okay, George?
What's my problem?
You will stay away.